Hello everyone, we are back at Alton Towers for the first day of this year of 2023 and I couldn't be more excited. It's going to be absolutely huge. Today is the opening day of Alton Manor, the Curse Alton Manor, I should say, and I can't wait to try it out. What's going to be on there? I managed to avoid all the spoilers so far, so I can't wait. The atmosphere is absolutely phenomenal. It's just gone 9:15 and you have to excuse me, I'm out of breath because sat nav took me the wrong way. Got here and monorail was closed, so I just made my way on a short run down here. Now, off we go to the Curse. I'll see you out there. It's going to be a great day.
I'll see you in there.
Watch out. Coming through, thank you. Oh, sorry.
We're here to buy the house, everyone?
Yeah, how much is it?
Well, it's first offer, first serve, really. It's whatever you want to buy for, within reason, obviously. Some lady offered me a £1 for it, but I've got to have a little bit more money on that.
£2?
£2! Keep going, I believe. Just keep a little bit, add a few more zeros on the end of that, and I'm sure we will be in conversation then, yes. But have we been inside yet?
We've not been in yet, no.
Not been in yet, no, brilliant. Well, don't worry, you'll get inside soon enough, and you'll find it is a beautiful house. It is a beautiful house, I promise you. Yes.
Excellent. Is Emily playing as well today?
Emily?
Yeah.
Emily
Alton.
Emily Alton from Alton Manor. No, she's long gone, sir.
Oh, is she?
Yes. Emily Alton, I believe 1892 was the last time she was seen.
I'm a bit late then.
Yeah, very late. But yes, but I think the house has been empty ever since.
Oh, right, okay.
I think I may have just scared that gentleman. I never mean to scare anyone.
I think it's the backwards look, just there.
The backwards look.
Yeah. Or the head on backwards.
The head on backwards. I don't understand.
No, neither do I. You're best not doing it, it's fine.
Right. On that, right.
Thank you, have a good day.
Yes, you too. I'll look forward to receiving your offer.
Thank you.
Got loads of webs in the shop as well. They're not in our group. No spoilers then, no spoilers.
So we are in the queue line now for the Curse at Alton Manor. This is so exciting. It's taken ages to open it up, but it's finally open. They had some technical difficulties. It's down to a 120-minute wait now, so if you're just joining the queue, it's going to be a long wait. We are in the queue line. The queue, I'm not sure if you can make out behind me, all the way over there, it goes all the way back to Wrong Park, to the Runaway Mine Train. So it's going to be a long wait for those guys all the way down there. But you can see they've put some great smoke effects in here. There's great music, there's great ambience, and they've put some theming of some stones in there, gravestones in there. I don't know if you can just make out, just down there, some gravestones and lots of smoke effects, and it's good so far. There's been lots of characters walking up and down that you saw earlier on. There's a bloke in a backwards outfit. I'm not quite sure what his relation is to the story. I hope we find out. But yeah, the hype for this has been really good, and I'm so excited to be able to get onto this ride now. And I can't wait to give you my reaction. I really like the theming that they've got here. So an unloved daughter, see there, but it was not quite as it should have seemed. For Emily, dear parents were really quite keen her daughter be seen, yet never heard. On the edge of the parties, only observed. So let's find out what's going on with that. In memory of William Brown, was 6 foot up and now 6 foot down. 1831 to 1849. Here is the corkscrew Easter egg. Drew, our waiter, full of grace, took a corkscrew to the face. Sounds painful. And what I've got over here, so this is the Oblivion one. So, Memento Mori, Matthew Corrie, ignored in life, now same old story, sank into oblivion, 29th of February 1842. So that's the Oblivion Easter egg right there. Excellent Easter eggs. There is that doll. Zoom in there. How creepy is that? No eyes. Very, very creepy. And there is another one. Unearth this humble stone. Sleeps a skull of name unknown. An evil curse. They gave her a doll's house with which to play, to keep her amused. And out of their way, alone and unloved, Emily's mind started to twist, and an evil within began to exist. So, that is an evil curse. The Doomed Party. In 1891, on New Year's Eve, the guests all died, or so you believe. Gone without a trace. Her doll's missing too. Emily, now possessed, wants to play with you. Happy birthday, Emily.
Let's all sing it now. This is the one that she's
see, it looks a little bit different in here now. The table's still there.
Oh wow, this is different. However, on the final chime of
doll's
midnight,
house.
the manor appeared to be struck by a storm of supernatural proportions. All known occupants of the
Got that
house
nice new ride smell.
perished. That is, aside from the owner's only child,
It's looking really good.
who to this day
The layout's still the
remains
same.
unaccounted for. The house has stood uninhabited ever since.
Father, please may I go to the party?
Phones and cameras is strictly forbidden in the manor.
So I've just come off the Curse Alton Manor. You can just see behind me there. We've waited absolutely ages. Would I wait that long again for this ride? Absolutely not. It's not worth that wait. However, if you go in, wait 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, it's a really, really good ride. Not changed too much in terms of the layout, still the same, the cars are still the same. But with what they've done and what they've spent in this period of time, I think it's really, really great addition. I thought it was a lot better than Duel. Really, really enjoyed it. It's a great way to be able to get rid of all the crowds as well. It's still an Omni mover, which is absolutely fantastic. Lots of creepy little bits in there with dolls. I don't want to give too much away because I want everybody to be able to enjoy it the same as what I have. But definitely worth a visit to get yourself down to Alton Towers and enjoy the Curse here at Alton Manor. Looking at the Curse merchandise, they've got hoodies here. They're priced at no price on them, but they're quite cool with a little Emily silhouette on them. And there's other ones as well available here. We've got the full Curse
25.
logo on there, £25. It's not too bad that really, because of course you get your Merlin discount also. Get a massive pair there as well. That's 130 quid if you fancy that.
£15 for one.
Why not? And so it's really good. I mean, they've got t-shirts over here as well. It's really t-shirts. Quite a nice t-shirt as well. So and they're priced at £18 as well. So that was all really. The mugs available as well. Really, really nice. I'd say it's quite good. just joined the queue line for the Congo River Rapids. It's got an advertised wait time of 35 minutes, so hopefully that won't be too bad this morning. It feels quite warm up today, so hopefully they've not got waterfalls running. Haven't checked. There's been loads of rumours for God knows how many years that we are going to get them back. It doesn't appear to be at the moment, which is good because I don't particularly want to get absolutely soaked at this time in the morning. So yeah, let's get on the Congo River Rapids.
Just a reminder to stop out of space or turn off and please remain seated. Red, roaring, wild.
I've just come off the Congo River Rapids and I have to say, what a terrible ride that is. It was absolutely shocking. We actually came out of the current at one point and we stuck overtaken by about 5 boats. Didn't get splashed. It wasn't the best, I must say. Something needs to be done to improve it. And it's a shame because it was a decent ride in its time, but yeah, waterfalls need to come on. We need to get the rapids turned up. We need to have much more soaking basically. But yeah, so now we've made our way down to Wickerman. Can't wait to go on this. It's got an advertised wait time of around 60 minutes, so yeah, can't wait to get back on this again. Join us on Wickerman. So I just come off Wickerman, it's running really well. Wait time approximately 60 minutes, which is what was advertised. Not too bad at all. Sat near the back, loads and loads of airtime, running so well. Such a great ride. I'll say it's one of my favourites. You can see it going past there already. Yeah, Wickerman, what a ride. We're going to head over, going to get some food now, and then we're going to make our way over towards XX, I think. Some food, forgot to film it, not gonna make any bones about it. I was too hungry, couldn't get it on camera, just wanted to eat it, so I had a nice chicken stacker. Everybody's in the area, the sun's really bright now. Yeah, check out that, get your meal and discount in Just Chicken, decent place. Gonna go on Oblivion now. It's been down, but it's reopened. It's currently on 20 minutes. Smiler's on 70, so hopefully we'll get on that and we'll get on Smiler, maybe have a look at the new Retro Squad ride as well, so let's go check it out. Okay, Oblivion is suffering from some technical difficulties, so we've been evacuated from the queue line, so we're going to head over to the Smiler now. But that's currently on a 70-minute queue, so yeah, so hopefully we'll have better luck going on the Smiler, so yeah, meet us over there. We've just come off another ride of the Curse Alton Manor. And you know what? It's good. It's really good. There's a couple of good jump scares. It's not going to be a world-class dart ride. For this country, it's fantastic. We don't have a lot of really great dart rides, but I'd say, yeah, it's really fun. A couple of little jump scares, decent theming in there, and it's really fun. Today's been a really good day. It's been so much fun. We've only got a couple of things, and this is kind of a short but sweet vlog, really. But it's just nice to be able to get to meet all the people we've met today. I can't even name you or tag you or whatever because there's so many people, but you're all incredible and it's all appreciated as well because you're also, I'm out of breath. I don't know what's up with me. I'm fit. yeah, it's all appreciated because you. It's absolutely amazing to be able to meet you all because and put a face to all the people I'm speaking to online as well, so that's great. So everybody that's watching this, please do make sure that you watch, like, subscribe, because if you help the video, you help the channel, it means we can create more content and keep this channel going as well. So thank you very much, and yeah, we're off to Blackpool Pleasure Beach tomorrow for opening weekend. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!